咦，你都係其中一位參賽者嚟嘅喎，你有咩感受啊？
我覺得還好啦，但係我都係對住咁多人都係有啲緊張，就發揮唔到練習時候嘅水準咯。但我都會繼續努力嘅。
你唔好對自己要求咁高啦，我都明白對住幾百人壓力係好大嘅。不如我哋而家睇下其他參賽者嘅精彩片段先啦。
Good morning, teachers and fellow students. I am Yula Chang, and I am the MC of today's recitation contest.
People obsessed with money. There are countless of proverbs and sayings.
I want to eat you. But first, tell me who you are.
Today, we'll spend the day playing outside, then take the whole school on a colorful ride.
Daddy, may I ask you a question?
Yeah, sure.
I would have missed that time and so many others that might follow.
呢片段係咪好精彩呢？歡迎大家繼續收睇校園電視台。